people were coming by and they're like, wait, what is that? And I had the big sign that said scented putty slime. And all the moms were like, no, no kids, no. I said, wait, hold on just a moment. It's not what you find in the stores. This is non-toxic and it's not sticky. It won't stick to your carpet. It won't stick to your hair. If it does get in the hair, you just kind of pull it out or just use a little bit of water. They're like, wait, what? I said, yeah, it's putty slime. I found the recipe. I tweaked it. I made it perfect. And they're like, okay. So once I walked the moms through it, all the kids started getting slime. Michaela sold 78 slimes.
Whoa.
In 3 hours.
Little entrepreneur.
Yeah, she did so good. She was like,
walk me through that. What does she do? What is she's like, hey, over here
come
and
get your slime. I know you got money. No, I'm just kidding. So we gave out free stickers to all the kids. So she's standing there and she's like, hi, happy holidays, Merry Christmas. Would you like some free stickers? And they say yes. And then she says, would you like to purchase some slime? She has to say the word purchase.
Yeah.
That was her key word, was purchase or buy.
Call to action.
There you go. And they're like, yeah, I want to buy slime. Mom, they have slime. And the moms, I could just see it in the mom's eyes because I was that mom. I hate slime. I don't want it in my house. But I have a magic recipe for you guys. Okay. It's called, I call it the non-toxic scented slime, right? And what makes it special is it doesn't stick. So it's 5 ounces of Elmer's glue, the non-toxic kind, half a cup of warm water. Now, this is what makes it stretchy and sticky. So ixnay the otter way. Take the water out. Don't add it in, right? So you're going to add a little bit of baking soda and some saline solution to it. Mix it up, add essential oils. And here's what I found, because I've used 15 different oils, Mark. Like I'm testing it as I go, and I want to know what it's like 3 days later and a week later. Long story short, you can add food coloring if you want. I got the all-natural pigment color because it's non-toxic, but you do what you want with that. If you don't want to add any food coloring at all, just add in colored glitter, but use the fine glitter. And no, the glitter won't get everywhere, I promise you. So based on my research on this, you can add up to 6 drops of any essential oil you like. We like the Joy Blend and the peppermint.
Oh, good choices.
We call it candy cane. We made red with candy cane, and we made blue and green with candy cane. We call it candy cane, but it had peppermint in it, and kids were loving it. Kids were loving it. And then we did Joy, and then we also did Peace and Calming.
Okay.
So we called it Silent
You're not
Night.
combining any of these. You just individual, like either peppermint or Joy or.
Correct.
Okay,
that's
gotcha.
Right. But I did notice with the citrus ones, you only need 2 or 3 drops. When
Why
I
is
added
that?
when I added 6 drops of lime in, it got sticky and gooey. Because we know our citrus oils breaks down.
Yeah.
I don't know what it breaks down. Fat. It breaks down all kinds of stuff.
Chemicals, petrochemicals especially.
Petrochemicals, yeah. But it's non-toxic, so how could that happen? I don't know. But I did notice that when I added 6 drops of lime, it kind of got sticky and gooey. So you don't want to do that. Citrus, just use 2. All right, let's put it all in a bowl, mix it up. You're good to go. I'm going to put that on the blog post.